Hello and welcome back to our core math tutorial. Today we're going to look at continue with the change of subject that we left. We did up to number 9, and then number 10 we want to learn how to make subject of the following. So if I have y is equal to b, and then I have ax plus c, then what we do here is we expand or distribute. If you want, you can write here expand or distribute. So you have to distribute the b, use the b and multiply by ax, the same b you used to multiply by c. So you have y equals b times a times x plus b times c. And since we're looking for a, we subtract. So you can write here, you want to subtract bc, and then you simplify. So you subtract bc, y minus bc is equal to bax. And now that we're looking for x, we have to divide here by b. We're looking for a, we divide here by b and x, and divide here to by b and x. So b will cancel b, x will cancel x. So you have y minus bc over bx is equal to a. We have made a the subject. Please try to go through this systematically, and you can solve the problem. Number 11, if we have 1 over y is equal to 1 over a plus 1 over b. There are two methods. Let's do both. Whichever is suitable for you, you use or you are comfortable with. Method 1, what we want to do is we have 1 over y is equal to 1 over a plus 1 over b, and we are looking for a. So we're going to multiply each step by the LCM of the denominators. So we'll write here multiply each step, multiply each step by LCM of denominators. Okay, let's go back to elementary school so that we'll get to know this. So let me call this interlude. We know that 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, the LCM is going to be 6. You multiply 2 by 3, you get 6. 2 will go into 6 is 3 times, 3 times 1 is 3, and plus 3 will go into 6 is 2 times, and 2 times that is 2. So you're going to have 5 over 6. Okay, great. Now we do the same thing. So the LCM of the denominators here is going to be YAB. So let me write it again and we'll simplify. So 1 over y is equal to 1 over a plus 1 over b. We'll multiply here by YAB. Multiply here by YAB. And multiply here by YAB. Now y will cancel y. We're left with AB at the left hand side. And then here a will cancel a. And we're left with YB plus b will cancel b, and we're left with YA. Now there is a here and there is a here. We have to group the like terms. So you can say like terms. Like terms. You group them together. So we have AB minus AY or YA. Let's say AY or YA. YA is equal to YB. Now we have to factorize the left hand side because there is a in both. So factorize left hand side, and we have what? If we factorize the left hand side, we have a outside. We now left with b minus y is equal to yb. And then we divide. So since we're looking for a, you divide here by b minus y, and you divide here to by b minus y. So b minus y will cancel that. So a is equal to yb over b minus y. And we have made A the subject. That is method 1. So let's go to method 2, more space. Method 2, we're going to have this way, method 2. Method 2. So what we're going to, so let me write it again. We have 1 over y. 1 over y is equal to 1 over a plus 1 over b. Let me erase this to make it neat. 1 over y equals 1 over a plus 1 over b. So the first thing you do is subtract 1 over b. So subtract 1 over b since we're looking for a. So 1 over y minus 1 over b is equal to 1 over a. Now we find the LCM of the left hand side. So find LCM of left hand side. The LCM of this is going to be y times b. Y times b. This y will go into yb is b times 1 is b minus b will go here into yb is y times, and y times 1 is y equals 1 over a. Now you flip or turn upside down. So you can say turn upside down. Turn upside down. Or you can say flip if you want. So if you do that, then you are going to have yb over b minus y is equal to a over 1. And a over 1 is a. You don't need to write a over 1. And that is your answer. So whichever you are comfortable with, you can use to make a subject. Number 12. So let's say I have y is equal to a squared b plus c. Here we want a. So first thing, subtract c from both sides. So subtract c. So I have y minus c is equal to a squared b. We are looking for a, so it means we have to divide by b and divide here to by b. This one will count, b will cancel b. So we have, let's go to this side. We have y minus c over b is equal to a squared. But we are not looking for a squared, we want a. So it means we have to take the square root. So I take the square root of this side. I have y minus c over b, and it's equal to a. The square root of a squared is a. And that is our answer. Here we have to know, we put here plus or minus. And there's a reason for that. You take the square root of a number, your answer is plus or minus. Let's see why the reason. The reason, so if we have 2 squared, it means 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. And then if we also have negative 2 squared, it means negative 2 times negative 2, which is also 4. That's negative times negative is positive. Therefore, if you're asked to find the square root of 4, your answer is going to be plus or minus 2. So if you are given a multiple choice and you choose only plus 2 or you choose only minus 2, that is wrong. Unless the question specifically tells you find the positive square root. In that case, if you choose 2, your answer will be right. Okay, in order not to make the video long, I will stop here and we will continue with the next part so that you get to know how to make a subject of a relation. Please continue to practice and look out for the next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.